College Univero sai senpat kijim tip nam ta khuwar like kam komba khat sau tali ai post ke bare jong post block coordinator pratali apo khas jan hil bat ndru tali apo garo hil tenam ta kijim tip bakhamne spek yu dur bakut te ban apply kaneru kadai offline phaban link submit ya ki form apo office te ka qualification kadai class 12 mo te spek video bat sa ngap ha shua ba pin kwa ban apply te kene ka post kala po kane ka Din Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana DDU JKY Mekhlia Ondar Community and Rural Development Department Government of Mekhlia invite application from the eligible citizen of Mekhlia for recruitment to the post of block coordination on contractual basis kan mau kade contractual basis his name but sa renew pada katba based on the performance te ki post balo jongane ka block coordinator kidon khat sautali pharatali hapo khas jentia hil ndrutali hapo garo hil qualification kade class 12 pass te la pass class 12 pass along eligible to apply age limit within 25 to 45 years option reservation snem hapo kane kidon kamro experience minimum of 1 year experience in working with the rural poor in the areas of skill development social mobilization and capacity building te la pidon te ka biang ha khamyo chantha te la pimdon ru kalong hi ban apply te ma independ namar bala kidon kini kinyo be kibadan experience ada amdon badan experience te kin shimet the desired qualities dengan pule kene desired qualities te sa pule hi anda pila download hi ya ka kene advertisement ka basic pay kadai R4000 shibanai kan mau R4000 shibanai dan ka last date jongane kande shitrik agos hadu san baje janmit kan mau phama shitrik agos hadu san baje janmit te ban submit ya kane kadai offline haban submit hapo office te ki kita ke jinon kam e kata ka yo ne kata ka form e baro te submission of application candidate are submit their application in hard copy on hard copy mod ba public submit be hapo office kan ka hard copy either by hand la phila ban le hidla de la ne phipha lengba ka post office either by hand / post only as per application format in annex 1 te kadon ka form annex 1 tengah sobatai to the state office in the following address te kala boy address te la da phikwa ban pha post phipha agane ka post te la da phikwa ban le submit daladi his office phin chule be chakane ka Din Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana DDU JKY State Institute of Rural Development SIRD campus Nongsder Ribhoi Mekhlia Nyok Nai Lai Wei Not Lai Kadai Hapo Ribhoi district po Nongsder phiaban di submit pihang tei la ko ban apply ada kadang biang kapor te philaban pha leng ba ka post te ka hadu shiterek terang don sa kumba shitioe general instruction candidate are required to submit the proof of qualification with either a mark sheet completion certificate phiap submit lang bat kata ka form candidate should provide proof of date of birth te philaban ai ka birth certificate candidate should provide any address proof lam ai ka epic dan hapo ka form den pendabro email ID baru phone number mar ba nam ta exam ba nam ta ke non ginon kam kin pha be ba email candidate are advised to fill in their correct and active email address kan mau ha candidate should regularly check the SIRD website te ka link juga website yang sapu apa description fill up man download ikane ka application link hapo ka website te sa pule bhai ginon kam ba sa le ka bron kam la ko ban apply candidate should regularly check their email for admit card and call letter ndak la apply ngot ba kinom call kinom le ere kin pha beling ba ka email ka jong phi te phap check ba na ka por sa ka por selection process kan dai ka written shwa ba personal kan ta for the written exam only shortlisted admit card call letter along with other necessary information will be sent to their email ID only hapo email ID can send ya kita ba shortlisted mo only those candidate who clear the exam shall be called for personal interview patu telah tikana ta ka form kane kadon support du ka form mo kan mau la pe support ka website fin la pe kane ka website kane mo website ndak klik kadon ha do hang ni kala talk to advertisement sa le ka bron kam te phi pendap be kane ka form phi print ne kane ka form te sa pendap sa li submit rengkap ber dokumen ngai applicant name father's name mother's name passport size photograph 2 copies are to be pin artali amde banta pin then gender pendap untuk brief description of your previous current job role la pila de tretang the fill up na description ka kam ko pila tre dan permanent address pipai hang tu dan qualification highest qualification pidai gai terala rendap tangkat 12 ai tangkat 12 ada degree dan master tersa email ID phone number kini gibron kamha manai total experience years kano experience pila don kam kawa pitray total years of experience in rural development nada pila tre po rural development kibade po kaneka department te pila manai language knowledge pidon ka ktiayu khasi janja garo pitim thong tu language knowledge speaking hinang bankren khasi jantia garo english entah hindi kado hinang tho ka signature jong phi bar ka tarik somil language ki document kan mal ong ka marksheet ka birth certificate bar ka proof of address epic kita lai tali berkidor artali ngatrai pila syai bha te kan mau ka link an buah po description klik apa description page nang tu select hakane website dalai akan website te pin sa yo ban download akan application akan PDF dan bisa pulih bah sa download sa print akan form te dakwa man apply pila ban sulit desa face and pila pak lang ba post te kan point post dia kata ngam ti brand pak post te ka syong ha kita kiba pak te tangkan ni kulish bun